What is your name and what do you do for the company?
My name's Tommy, and I am the delivery captain for Seattle Boat, so I get the fun job of delivering everybody's new boat to them.
And if you could give one hot tip to anyone coming to the boat show this year, what would it be?
For sure, come VIP opening night just for the experience. It's a lot of fun, great display of boats, obviously, and things like that. But if you want to see all the boats, if you're really interested in actually buying a boat and things like that, come during the week. It's a little bit calmer, but you still have every boat there and everything like that to check out, but gives you time to actually dive into it, and you're not trying to pile over people as they're opening engine hatches or things like that.
Thank you so much.
My name is Parker Duff, and I work with the sales team.
And if you could give one hot tip to any newcomer for the boat show, what would it be?
Ask questions. Things can be confusing online. There's a bunch of makes and models and different inventories, so there's no question that's a bad question. Bring all your questions, and we'll be happy to answer them.
Hi, my name is Janine Olivier Rollins, and I'm a service advisor for Seattle Boat.
And what is one hot tip you would give a newcomer coming to the boat show?
The one hot tip that I would give is pace yourself. There's so much to see. Map out what you would like to see and go from there. Otherwise, you're going to be exhausted because it's huge.
Dustin Roth, Seattle service technician.
And if you could give one hot tip to any newcomer, what would it be?
Have patience.
Awesome.
My name is Chris Olson. I am Director of Service. My hot tip would be come in more than one day. Multiple days, there's just not enough time to see everything in one shot, so please come in several days.
Oh, hi, I'm Jan Rood, and I work in the Seattle office doing fund share memberships, and if you're buying a boat, I do all your paperwork. Come opening night for sure, and come to booth number 51.